Kubikwa ukuthi le ngozi yenzeke ekuseni ngesithuba zehora lesithupha kuya kwelesikhombisa. Ozibonele ngawakhe uthi bebecabanga ukuthi umshayeli ulele njengoba ibhasi belihamba ligcwala umgwaqo.
We thought the driver he was sleeping. Yabona. So wajumpa yashaya emaphakathini yaza oncoming entweni oncoming cars. So then bakahamba ku first lane, we thought ukuthi ulele lo muntu lo. Immediately yashaya izimoto lezi.
Abantu ababandakanyeke kule ngozi balimale kanzima.
Abantu bakhona balimele kakhulu ngendlela esabekayo. So then i-driver besihlela omunye lana phezulu esifubeni. So then umunye umama yena ibhasi bemgandelele phakathi kwepholo, so then bengakhona ukuphumula, akakhona ukuphuma.
Amaphoyisa athi uphenyo lesikhashana luveza ukuthi le ngozi ibangelwe ingxabano ebiyikhona phakathi komshayeli webhasi kanye nomgibeli, nokholele ekutheni umgibeli abambe i-steering sebhasi.
When a passenger allegedly had an altercation with the driver and then grabbed the steering wheel, the bus lost control, veered off the M1 South and jumped over the barriers and the median into the M1 North and crashed into the other vehicles.
Sekuvulwe icala lokushayela budedengu.